Over the last few years, there is no denying that short-form video content has taken over social media and is used by almost every single brand and influencer to ensure that they're getting as much attention to their products and services as possible. Those who are not using the power of video, or at least to the level that they could be using it, are those who are limited by their resources, which in this economy is almost everyone, because producing short-form video content the old way will either cost you in your own time or your money invested so that someone else could do it for you. Hiring a video editor can easily cost you $20 to $50 real to have it professionally edited, including B-roll, music, and captions. And not to mention, you might be waiting for up to a week to have them delivered to you, which could cost you thousands of dollars a month. Now, if you were to do it yourself, it can easily take a few hours per video, especially if you aren't the most tech or editing savvy type, which is an incredibly long time to be spending on a piece of content that has such a short lifespan. But fortunately, there are some amazing tools that can help you do the same thing in less time and for less money. Some of the biggest creators have been using these tools to create more content than ever in half the time and for a fraction of the cost, while getting ahead of everyone else in the content creation game. Which brings me to this tool that literally takes a few seconds to create your videos on a professional level. And I'm going to show you just how easy it is to incorporate it into your brand to grow it to its fullest potential, both of views and impact. The tool we're going to use is called SubMagic, which is used by over 500,000 creators and businesses, including top names like Grant Cardone, David Goggins, Alex Hormozi, and more. I'll leave a link in the description below for you to try it out for yourself, but for now, let's jump into my screen to show you exactly how to use this powerful tool. When you first open SubMagic, this is the screen that you're going to see. Now you'll click on New Video and drag your file into the project window, and here I have a video example that I'm going to upload. Right now, SubMagic supports over 50 languages with a 99% accuracy transcript rate from it, and you can apply that to the captions, which is one technique to making your video more accessible and increase viewer retention. As you can see, the captions have uploaded, and now we'll be able to customize it. Now, this is where you have a bunch of different caption styles to choose from, including the viral Alex Hormozi style, Mr. Beast, Imman, Ali Abdaal, Ella, and so much more. It's so simple and so fast. You can choose the color, size, reposition the captions on the screen, and you can also have highlighting colors. If you want to do any other advanced edits, you simply click custom at the bottom of the subtitles that you chose for your video. Now, in this tab that opens up, you'll be able to do things such as upload your own personal font. You can change the boldness or change your text to any of the default fonts that are in SubMagic. You can add a shadow or adjust the color. You can even change the text from lowercase to uppercase, and you can turn your animation on or off. You can choose the lines of text that you want to allow on the screen at one time. But for me personally, all I'd really change in this section is the font. Now, in the B-roll section, you can add B-roll directly from SubMagic into your clip to illustrate your video and capture your audience's attention by adding more context to the video. You can either use the B-roll clips provided within SubMagic, you can use images for B-roll, or you can upload your own B-roll as well, and you can apply animation transitions, as you can see underneath here. So for the sake of this example in this video, I'm going to use the stock video provided by SubMagic just by searching for a particular video and click apply. You can easily change the positioning of the video from right to left, and you can also choose the animation or transition you want on it, like a film bird. These transitions will make your video really dynamic. If you wish to adjust the length of B-roll, you can simply adjust the length by typing in where you wish the B-roll to start and end. Once you've decided on the duration, you will need to click save. You can also add sound effects to your videos, which create an ambience to your video and an additional layer of what comprises of an overall engaging video. You can choose from over 10 different sound effects within SubMagic's library and adjust the volume to them too. To do this, simply click the sound icon and you can choose your sound as well as the volume of that sound effect at the bottom here. Now, if you want to entirely remove the sound effect, you'll just click remove sound. Once you've done all the edits that you wish to make on your video, you can then head over to the last tab, which is the boost tab. Now here, you're able to generate a hook title for your video when you're on a growth or business plan, and you can up the audio of your video when you're on the growth and business plan as well. Other features in this area include the descriptions and hashtag tab, where SubMagic will generate a description based on the topic of your video, as well as some related hashtags. You can also add your custom logo if you wish, as well as any music you wish to include. Just always be sure that whenever you make any changes to your project, that you just click save so you don't lose any of your work. Then once you've finished with all your changes, you can click export. Now, once it's exported, I want to show you the difference that SubMagic can really make. Now, as you can see, it makes a huge difference having more elements within your videos that keeps a viewer more stimulated and engaged, hence having them stick around for longer when watching your videos. Short form content creation has truly never been quicker and easier to do, And now it's even more advanced and dynamic, thanks to tools like Submagic right at our fingertips, where you can create subtitles, add transitions, B-roll, and so much more in just minutes. If you're interested in using Submagic for yourself, I have left a link in the description below for you. And if you choose to use my link, I do get a small commission for you doing so. If you found this video insightful, informative, useful, be sure to like, subscribe, and share with a creator or brand with whom you think this could really help. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.